Starting a business on a tight budget? This is your hosting. Here's how to get professional hosting without breaking the bank. IONOS has been around since 1988. They host over 8 million websites with a 99.99% uptime guarantee. They're reliable, they're established, and right now, they're incredibly affordable. IONOS Plus Plan. $1 per month for your first year. That's $12 total for the entire year. Add $1 for Domain Guard. That's $13 for your first year. Now here's what you get for that $13. Unlimited websites, unlimited storage, free domain, free SSL certificate, daily backups, DDoS protection, and 24/7 support. All of that for $13 for your first year. You're not sacrificing quality to save money. IONOS is a legitimate, professional hosting company. Use year one to test your idea on a budget. See if your business model works. Build your audience. Make some sales. Here's how to get it. Click the link in the description. The discount applies automatically. Pick the Plus plan. $1 per month. Click Add to Cart. Add your domain. Free for year one. Click Continue. Skip optional add-ons. You don't need them yet. Click Continue. Review your cart. Toggle on free private registration. Click Continue. Enter billing info, checkout, and you're done. Check email. Log in. Install WordPress. Build your site. You don't need a big budget to start a professional website. $13 gets you online for a full year with IONOS. Unlimited sites, storage, security, backups, support. Start small. Test your idea. Grow when you're ready. 30 days money-back guarantee means if it doesn't work out, you get your money back. Your business starts with a website. Make it happen for $13. Click the link in the description and get started. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.